Okay, folks, everything's set. Today is what, Sunday? 2023.
Not 23.
What is that, 2023? What year is it?
Oh, 23 out of here. The date is
Date is what,
12.
12?
11/30/12.
Okay. Road construction is still going on. The neighborhood is still the same. My fishing rod.
Straps, right?
Yes. I have to check it one more time before we get on the expressway. Make sure they're not, they're all good.
Hold on.
Okay, folks. Good afternoon, good morning, and we'll see you in the middle of the journey. Though the Basum told me not to mess around too much, it's no good. So I listened to him. But the Basum wasn't exactly that. He had too much stuff on his mind. Poor kid. All right, say bye now.
Adios.
A woman with the red suit. Hey,
I look good in red. What are you talking about?
all right. Bye now.